What are you doing?
Watching my phone. I turned on the green.
What are you doing?
You don't want nobody to see it.
Okay, guys, we are back from getting Sissy from school. Where you go? And she got all of her cousins here to play. What's your name?
Jalen.
What's your name? Aria. And Bree Bree. Who else is that? Callie. Cammy way over there. Hey, girl. You lost your tooth? Oh my goodness. Huh?
I want to be in with you.
Okay, and you know what? We're going to start making, Anna's making a YouTube channel. So y'all going to have to come over and see her and do stuff with her, like make slime and make brownies and cookies.
I got 30. Oh, I want to make slime.
Do you? I ain't going to let her have a TikTok, but I'm going to let her do a YouTube.
I'm not drinking. What is this? I need to measure it.
I'm a shot this one, then you can pour it in. It's the same now. It just look different.
Okay.
Yeah. It's the same thing. Told you. It look different. Good morning, bitches. It is the next day. Y'all, I got drunk last night. So, if I just disappeared yesterday, which I'm sure I did, I deeply apologize. But I just went and bought me some breakfast, but I put it in the refrigerator because you know you're like next day drunk. It's like all you want is water. All I wanted some water, but I was starving, so I did. And this is what I got. And it was so good. It's nachos, beef fajita nachos. But I didn't eat much. I'm putting it in the refrigerator so that it don't get soggy and shit. Because I am still hungry. Y'all, I fucked up last night and I left my fucking MacBook outside and it thunderstormed. So I got my computer sitting in front of the fan. But you want to tell my channel hi? Oh, fuck. That's not water.
What is it?
Hi.
Ooh, y'all.
Go with your uncle.
Today has been a freaking day and it's not even noon, y'all. Today is the day that I lost my best friend. So, like, my attitude is just not giving. Who he fussing
Why
at?
is his mouth so blue?
Y'all, everybody comment down below and tell this bitch to make a channel right now.
Somebody did
Ready,
take their whole
set,
shot last
go.
night.
Where?
Look at the table.
Girl, and then somebody had that big round glass in there.
This is Callie's lollipop on the couch with no.
Rinse it off and set it on the stove.
Oh, she's gonna do the donut today.
Hey, bitch. Happy Friday, hoes. Let's get the weekend started. I have a really big announcement that I'm going to share with y'all, but I'm not going to share it today. But that is what I'm up and getting dressed for and washing my face and just really getting ready for. I decided to make a decision, guys. It's a temporary decision, but I got to do it. So, I'll tell y'all about it. Me and Ricky will probably do a sit-down story time. And we'll just tell y'all all about it whenever the time is right. But as of right now, I am up and that's what I'm doing. In the hallway? Just tapping back in on y'all. Seeing what y'all doing.
And you might be thinking, where am I going to get these candles out? Achieve this. And my wealth helps me achieve it. I am a charitable and successful millionaire. My income is expanding rapidly. My subconscious is aligned with prosperity. I deserve to be well paid for my knowledge and skills. I love the feeling of receiving money. Every dollar that I spend comes back to me and multiplied. I am ready and able to receive more money. I always have more than enough money. Sources of income. Constantly discover new sources of income. That wealth that life brings me. Not here for everything that I want. Bank account is constantly growing. My bank account is constantly Others will organically find and love my business. I save more